Usually when we see the Google sheet or this any spreadsheet, we see some special kind of formatting. Like if uh, if this is the sheet of marks, so if the student is failing in one subject, his or her marks turn to red, or the entire cell is um, cell turns to red, the entire cell turns to red, or get the uh, different colors. And when you see there's a data which which is encountered the error, so we can uh, sort it out using different functions. And if you want to apply the color in different sheets on different conditions, then we can apply in the sheets. So you must have observed this. So today I am going to discuss such kind of thing. So myself Keki Singh, and I am a Google certified trainer and innovator as well. Apart from it, I am a Google Educators Group leader, Agra. So let's move to our Google Sheet. Then I'll show you how to apply this kind of functioning which I am going to tell you. So see here, this is my Google Sheet, and on this sheet, what I want to change the formatting of this sheet. So to change the formatting of this sheet, Google provides a function that is called the formatting or you know conditional formatting. So formatting on the basis of the condition. So how to do this? So see here, if you see this is the hyphen or the dash sign, and what I want, the cells which are having hyphens, they should be turned to red, or the hyphen should be turned into red, or the entire cell should be turned into red. So how to do this? So there should be some condition. So how to apply that condition so that your cell or the character hyphen turns to the desired color? So for that, I have taken a sheet, and what I want to uh, change the color of the entire cell. So let's see how to do this. So for that, I'm going to select the entire range of the sheet. So this sheet I'm selecting. Okay, since this is big sheet, so I'll have to select the portion of this sheet. So this is the portion I have selected, and what I want that all the hyphens or dashed characters should turn into red. Then how to do this? For that, we'll have to move to format menu like this, and we'll move to conditional formatting. So over here there are some rules. Apply this to the range. This range is selected here, and these are some rules. This is the area, this is the range on which I am going to apply the conditional formatting, and here are some rules, and what rule I am going to change. Okay, so here, if this is the character, hyphen is the character. So if I say if the text contains dash, so see, dashed are selected automatically. I do not want to color this cell, none, but dash is selected. What I want to change the character color, or I want to make it red. As soon as I select the character and formatting style, I have changed to custom, and this time the character color I changed to red. And when I say done, so this way, the in the entire sheet, wherever dashes occur, all turn to red. So see here, this was a hyphen, it turns to red. This was a hyphen, this turns to red. So this way, this is one rule which I have applied to the cells. Now what I am going to do here, I want to color the cell. The cell which is having the hyphen should turn into red rather than hyphen. Then how to do this? Select the data, select the data, I have selected this data and going to format and condition formatting, and this I am going to delete this. I have deleted the previous rule, and this time I am going to apply another rule. So clicking on plus will take you to the rule pan, and over here the range is A2 to K41. If the text contains dash, then the color should turn to red. And if I say done, to see here, the cells which were having dash hyphen all turn to red. So this way we can apply the conditional formatting. So this is just the beginning. We'll do more and we'll learn more about conditional formatting. So we'll see this in my next video. And if you have understood the concept how to apply the conditional formatting, so you can also apply with some values and with some sort of characters, you can apply this. So we meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.